Alright, hi guys, it's Rod, AE7QT. The next step in my evolution of this install is finalizing the ground radials. So what I've done for stability so that the wires don't pull out while I'm trying to get them buried is put a center block there, and I think that's going to work good. I might even just backfill those holes with some dirt and what have you. I've added some snap-on chokes there just because I had a bunch of them laying around, and then cleared out some of the brush that was in the way and began to bury my radials. So far you're looking at about 4 radials right there buried. So anyways, what I'm doing is carving out a little trench just about that wide. It's about, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches deep perhaps, and then I lay the wire in there and I tuck it in. And the way that I do that is the cheap old minute way. Some of the guys on Amateur Logic would be proud of me. Had an old axe laying around, but yep, you guessed it. I chop the ground and then I just give it a good widening like that, and then work my way down, get it all buried. So I've got 4 left, and then we'll backfill some dirt over here, I think, and get all that buried and start playing some radio. Whoa, tripping over myself. So you might have noticed there's no plate or anything behind the S2C tuner. Yeah, I'm not so worried about it right now. Still pretty nice weather, but that will be my next project. I do have a window lock in there so nobody can actually get the window open, but I'm going to build a board or get a board cut or something that fits in that window, and then bolt that tuner to the board on the outside. That way it's a little bit more weatherproof, and then I can throw up a bit of insulation or whatever on the inside if I feel the need for extra weather protection. So that's where we're at. Oh, one other thing is I'm not sure if I'm going to do it yet, but that chunk of wire is about 35 feet long. It doesn't go all the way to the top of my fiberglass pole, but no worries. At the very top, I don't know if you can see it, there's a ring up there, so I'm able to untie this rope and bring the whole wire down without actually pulling the whole pole down. So I should be able to crimp and solder a new setup and get my strain relief set in there and pull the wire up without even lowering the pole. Anyways, that's my next step in evolution of my vertical. AE7QT 73, y'all.